Okay, so moving on to consumer redress and remedies. Part I actually kind of like most, I think. It's been a while. Okay, do not fill in your red box yet because you will probably do the wrong one. So overall, we need to evaluate the effectiveness of non-legal and legal measures in achieving justice for consumers. We're going to look at the importance of recognising awareness of Australian consumer law and the fact that there is self-help available. We're going to look at how state government organisations, federal government organisations and industry organisations can help the consumer. We're going to look at the role of courts and tribunals, non-government organisations and the media. We have to essentially examine the range of different remedies available to consumers. Okay, moving on. Okay, so this is your red box. Examine the range of different remedies available to consumers. First of all, we need to look at what is consumer redress and remedies all about. So redress and remedies, two separate things, but what is the difference? Remedy equals fix. Or when it comes to legal issues, remedy is when a right is enforced and or a punishment is imposed. So for example, when the consumer gets a refund, repair, replacement and or compensation, they've received a remedy. When the ACCC wins a case in the federal court and a business's standard form contracts are found to be void because they're unfair, the consumer has received a remedy for whatever their problem was. Redress is actually an avenue of redress, so it's the way of getting a remedy. So a way of getting the remedy is through awareness of Australian consumer law and helping yourself, actually going and looking after the problem yourself. Using or working with state government or federal government organisations or industry organisations are an avenue of redress, again, a way of getting a remedy, as are courts, tribunals, non-government organisations and the media. We'll get into all that and it makes complete sense, I promise. Okay, two checkout clips here. Look, they're basically just a little bit of fun, but you can learn something along the way. So bye for this one, back in a sec. I never have the arrow on the pause button.